Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mukhriz bin Faisal, and today I will present about technical report 1. So this is our table of content. So for introduction, Francisco Ferry modern shipbuilding excellence built by Shipyard ABC in Tasmania is innovative and efficient. It's powered by LNG, making it eco-friendly. It's also designed to connect Buenos Aires and Montevideo. It carry up to 1,000 passengers and reach 58 knots. Next is layout design. The shipyard layout is strategic to ensure smooth workflow. Each section, like the blasting and fabrication areas, is arranged for efficiency and safety. Next, we move to workshop floor description. The shipyard workflow is divided into key areas. The first one is blasting workshop, is to clean metal for strength and safety. And the second one is fabrication workshop. It is to use machine like cutters and welder for speed and accuracy. Example is cut, shapes and weld methods. Number 3 is erection bay. The erection bay is for assemble large parts using cranes. And the last one is docking area. The docking area is the place to final test and touch up before launch. We move to SWOT analysis 4.0. For 4.0 strength, advanced technology like LNG power ferries, skilled workforce with efficient processes. And for the weakness, high initial cost for advanced equipment, dependency on specific skill level. For opportunity, growing demand for eco-friendly ship and potential for international collaboration. For the last one is threats, competition from global shipyard and stringent environmental regulations. Next is TOS analysis. For TOS analysis, the first one is threats opportunities. The threat opportunity is use advanced technology to tap into the eco-friendly ship market. Second one is strength threat. Leverage expertise to stay ahead of competition despite regulation. Number 3 is weakness opportunity. Seek international funding to offset high costs. And the last one is strength threat. Invest in training program to reduce dependency on specific level.
Alright, Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Syahrull, and I would like to present 6.0, which is safety and hazard management. First of all, 6.1, risk of hazard in the yard. For the first, physical hazard are the most common and most can cause serious injuries to the victim, and these hazards also can causes fatalities. As an example, fall from heights in shipyards. Wind and heavy machinery accidents are another major physical hazard. Can caused by malfunctions or improper operation that could lead to serious accident or injuries. The next one is slips, trips, and falls on the ground that can caused by uneven surface and wet floors from water or oil spills. Next one is chemical hazards. Chemical hazard in shipyard can cause by immediate injuries. As an example, burns and respiratory irritations that can cause long-term health problems such as cancer and lung disease. Next one is chemical risk that include exposure to hazardous substances as an example, asbestos, solvents, welding fumes, and paint that contain lead or other toxic materials. Chemical spills or leak can lead to contamination of the work environment or fire or explosion. Fire and explosion hazard could be caused by flammable liquids or gases or improper stored chemicals. For the biological hazards are less common but still pose health risks, including mold and fungi. Shipyard, as we know, handling wet materials, so that's how mold and fungi could be the risk of the hazard in shipyard. The humid environment also prone to the biological growth, and these hazards could affect long-term exposure that may include respiratory disorder and other chronic health issues. For the proper safety measure, use PPE. So PPE is essential to minimize injury workers. Workers are encouraged to wear hard hats, safety boots, safety glasses, and safety gloves. For the chemical or fume exposure, workers should use aspirators or face masks that it could help workers to minimize the inhalation of hazardous substances and protect long-term health. For the fall protection, companies should provide solid guardrail and safety nets where necessary and ensure stable and secure scaffolding. For elevated tasks, workers should use a fall arrest system that can prevent serious injuries in case of falling from height. And maintenance methods should be done by maintaining regularly inspection and all safety gear for wear or damage also need to be inspected. This could ensure equipment is in good condition before being used by the workers. Some products need to be properly labeled and should be stored safely to ensure quick identification of potential hazards and to prevent accident and enhances safety. Spill containment measures help minimize risk by using drip trays and barriers when handling hazardous substances. Next, employee training is a key to provide regular training on the safe handling and disposal of chemicals by providing the knowledge to employees to stay safe at the working environment and consider safer alternatives. Substitute toxic chemical with safer alternatives where possible to help reduce overall risk and promote a healthier work environment. Okay, the next one is environmental consideration. For eco-friendly practices in ferry construction, the company should use of sustainable materials that because it can support environmental responsibility and efficiency by using recyclable materials such as aluminium and eco-certified composites. They also should enhance resources efficiency in large-scale projects. For interior fittings, they should choose sustainably sourced wood to promote responsible material choices. They also need to minimize hazardous substances to protect workers and the environment. Avoid VOC emitting paints and adhesive to reduce health risks and the environmental footprint of shipbuilding. By maintaining eco-conscious shipyard practice, they can transition to renewable energy sources in shipyard. For example here, use solar or wind power to reduce carbon footprint and to promote material recycling and reuse. This also can help to cut down on waste, which conserve valuable resources during construction. After that, they also can reduce water usage and control runoff to protect surrounding ecosystem, marine ecosystem mainly, and to ensure compliance with environmental regulations. All right, next one is use eco-friendly coatings and anti-fouling paints to prevent marine pollution through safer materials, which is non-toxic, biocide-free hull coatings to protect marine ecosystem. Other than that, they can choose low-impact paints to support sustainability goals and make vessels more eco-friendly over their lifetime. They should also use cleaner technologies by reshaping the maritime industry, including ferry constructions. So the alternative marine fuels gaining traction is LNG and hydrogen. And these alternatives offer major advantages like lower emissions and improved fuel efficiency and reduce environmental impact. By using LNG, which is liquefied natural gas, as a marine fuel it's offer major environmental and operational advantages. What are the environmental benefits? Some of them is near zero sulfur emissions, significant reduction in NOx and CO2 emissions, and helps meet strict emissions regulations. The operational benefits are to more efficient engines mean lower fuel consumptions. This can cut the cost of the operational during the sail of the vessel uh, compared to diesel. And next one is quieter engine operations that could minimize the noise pollution, especially in coastal or sensitive areas such as residential areas nearby the coastal and so on. Next one is biofuels. Biofuels are sustainable alternative to traditional marine fuels. It is derived from organic source like plants, waste oils, agricultural residues or algae. So the advantages of using biofuels are considered as carbon neutral and it can reduce reliance on fossil fuels. For the operational flexibility, it could be blended with traditional marine fuels that allow for a gradual transition to clean energy, and it requires no major engine or infrastructure changes on the vessel. For the hybrid propulsion system combine conventional fuels with electric power that create greater efficiency and lower emissions. And the sources of the fuel may include batteries, LNG, and hydrogen that use alongside traditional engines. So, what are the key benefits of hybrid ferries? The key benefits of hybrid ferries are it could improve fuel efficiency across different operating conditions. And other than that, it's also lower emission of CO2, NOx, and particulate matter. For the operational flexibility, it switch between electric and fuel modes based on routes or restriction. Right. Lastly, for the conclusion and recommendations, first of all, efficient facilities. Each workshop play an important role ensuring fast and high quality shipbuilding. And the next one is strong fabrication, such as sculpting, welding, shaping, and inspection, should create safe and durable ship structures by using steel and aluminium. For the smooth logistic, safe storage, easy movement of ship parts with cranes, and quick tracking system keep everything organized. And strategic locations, shipyard should be near the sea, allow the ship easily transfer the outfitting berths and direct water testing. And last one is worker safety. Workers should get the proper training and safety gears such as gloves, helmets, and so on to protect workers and to produce the productivity. So that's all. Thank you.
So we move to task 2. So for task 2 is about the shipyard ABC. The shipyard ABC is a well-organized shipyard. It focuses on safety and quality in shipbuilding. Materials like steel and aluminium are checked, cleaned, and shaped. These parts are then assembled and tested to ensure the ship performs well in water. So we move to the next slide. Shipyard ABC has 5 keys. And the first one is receiving area. Materials like steel and aluminium are inspected and stored safely. Number 2 is plastic workshop. Cleans metal surface to make them stronger and safer. Third one is fabrication workshop. Shape and joins with metal to create shape part. Number 4 is erection base. Assembles large part of the shape using cranes. And the last one is out 15 bird. Install engine, wiring and interior, followed by water testing. The next slide is about the workshop flow. The work process is clear and efficient. Material arrive, they are clean in the blasting workshop, shaped in the fabrication, assembled in the erection bay, and complete without 15 and testing before delivery. The next slide is about material use. The shipyard use high quality materials like aluminium for lightweight design, steel for strong structure, third composite for durability, and the last one is LNG tank for clean energy solutions. Let's move to the topic of focus on fabrication. So fabrication basically is a busy and vital process. Here metal are cut, welded and shaped into shape parts. Quality control ensure each part is strong and reliable for the final shape. Alright, next we move to logistics, and logistics keep the shipyard running smoothly. Material are stored safely and large shape parts are moved efficient using cranes, and this organized system help complete project on times. Now we move to conclusion. To sum up, Shipyard ABC is a smart and efficient shipyard. It is process ensure high quality ship, prioritizing safety, durability and sustainability. Thank you. So this is our reference, and thank you very much everyone for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.